guys, this is part 2. I'm so sorry about this. I don't know what's happening to my phone, but I can only record a little bit, so it's probably gonna be a lot of parts. So I'm really sorry. So I think this was the last one I showed. Then I'm gonna show this. This is a bouncy ball. Oh my god, it looks so cool. It doesn't look as cool in the camera. Lights. And I mean, it's not really a fidget, but I mean, I just keep it there. My dad likes it, even if it's not a fidget. So yeah. Next one is this. It's a tag for my snappers. Oh god, there's something stuck here. I kind of like it. Not kind of, I really like it. I actually like all of my fidgets. And guys, so this video might be I might not finish this video today, but I'll try my best to. Let me get the tag off. This is my purple bracelet. Quiet side. Loud side. This was actually only $2, so really cheap. There's this thingy. There's rainbow stuff in it. And then I put this straws. If you want me to teach you how to make this, I will. But it might be a bit harder because I don't have the straws. I'm so sorry about the background noise. There's this broken squishy that I drew eyes on. Kind of looks weird, but okay. There's this stress ball. It's a bit broken, you know. Only a bit. I mean, yeah. But I still really like it. It's really small, but I still like it. Now, there's this sticky dinosaur. It's cute. And I use it as a mochi. My free pop tubes. I'm not getting them out of this shape because okay, the background noise is really loud because you know, I have one hand and I can't do it. Ow. My marble mesh. Some people think this is not good because it's not really normal. The normal ones are skinny. My one's kind of fat, but I still kind of like it. Why do I keep saying kinda? Sorry. I still really. Oh, this broken fidget, which is not really that good, because I didn't really finish making this. So, yeah. I kind of like it. Not really. There's this. It's not even a fidget, but I kind of use it. I use it to twist around, and then I make it to straight lines. It actually came with a dog toy. Well, I'm gonna pick up the dog toy. Just wait a second. So here's the dog toy that it came with. I have a lot of stuff in it. Right now it's a lion, but just leave my me stuff here. That's the name of this channel, just like my me stuff. At least for now. This was supposed to go with this. This broken stress ball. It was supposed to pop it out like a squishing and there's like a Orbis balloon here. But then someone, I bring it to school, then someone in my class popped it. Kind of annoying, the person. But then I still really like this. It's really satisfying to just, yeah. My mom just fixed it for me. Just put that there. Oh, I got this. This is one of the hardest. I mean, it kind of looks stupid because this is my acupressure ring. Let me use my other finger. Yeah. Kind of too big. Next time, I'll go to the place I made this. If I have time, I'm gonna make another one. Cause then, oh, this string is the same as this, and as something else, which I can't find right now. Is it here or is it in there still? Probably in there. Oh, the wacky track that has the broken piece from last part. The unicorn squishy that you can put a pencil or a pen in. It came with a pen on it. I'm not gonna bring the pen right now. It's too light. This normal slinky. Oh, I'm recording my legs. This normal slinky. This I forgot the name of this. Bike chain? Is it a bike chain? Forgot the name. I think it's a bike chain. Slinky! A normal slinky, like an actual slinky. It's a love heart shape and a mini slinky. Love this. Oh, okay. That's this puzzle, which is you gotta shake it to get in because. Oh, here I got in. Okay, wait. No. Okay, next. Pop it. Oh, wait. So, I got like a few of this. They can be like 4 mini puppets or 1 puppet. You can put them together, which I really like. Here. And this is a little bit bigger than the normal circle puppet. I'm gonna just show my first fidget. It was even for all the DIYs. So the circle puppet and the hexagon puppets are basically same. So look, it's a bit bigger. I think this has 28. 1, 2, 7, 8. Yeah, 28. That was a loud, quiet side of me. This is the loud side. And this one I think has 36. So I didn't count it properly, but that was the quiet side, by the way. And this is the loud side. I'm popping by 1 so I can count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think it's 36. Okay, next one. Oh, there's this. There was a while ago, so it's getting broken. It was actually a tag. And then I use it as this. I use it to do this. I like it. I mean, it was way better before because now it's broken. Oh, just has to fidget there. Oh, puppets. Oh, it's getting broken. Gotta fix it. Oh, this was my first fidget, but then I didn't know about fidgets. Sorry, about the background. I didn't know about fidgets when I made this. Oh, here. The part of the broken thing, I did a face on it. Here. They went together. I have like 1,000 of this. Just like a mini stress ball with beads on it, inside it. Oh, there's this rabbit. I don't really like popping it on the floor, but I kinda have to. Look. There's this one. Strawberry. There's this empty balloon. Not messy. Nope. Oh, there's this stress ball, which I made with my neighbor, which is also my classmate, which is also my best friend. I really like this stress ball. Okay. Next, another one. Next, another one. Brazil, Australia. What are they? I forgot the name of the country. Guys, I said Brazil first because I'm actually from Brazil. Oh, that one. I made this. I also made this with my friend. My friend has one of this. My friend has one of this and this. Oh, if you guys want me to introduce my friend to this channel, I'll just ask her, but not today because she's not here. Another slinky. This one's kind of crazy. Kind of broken, squishy. I also made this with my friend. I'm still over, so another one of this. This kind of broken, like that. This. Another empty balloon. Gotta go quick. Time's nearly over. This control. Texture. I said feelings because I forgot what. I don't know how to spell texture. Another one. Empties. Bubble things. Popper. Puppets. Oh god, speed up. I made a lot of stuff here with my friend. I'm just not gonna say it. Marble and mash, they all like. The texture. Puppets. Oh, there's something stuck. Another one. Empty balloons. This what is happening. Okay, I'm back. Speeding it up. Another one. Ooh, puppet. Popper. Thingy chicken. Slinky. Paperclip. This single spiky ball. Yeah, my friend made. I don't know how to make them. Popper. Slinky. This. Oh god, I have some seconds. So guys, that was it. I have this tree stuff. So that was it. So this is nearly ended. So yeah. So that's it. Look, mess. So yeah, that's it. Goodbye. Just wait till the video ends. You can leave. It's okay if you leave.